Number 6. Jenny made her famous oatmeal chocolate chip cookies for the school bake sale. She had all the ingredients besides flour. The grocery store she went to only sold flour in 3-pound bags that cost $5.25 each. Jenny bought 18 pounds of flour, which was enough to make 9 batches of cookies. Each batch of cookies made 12 cookies, and she sold the cookies in bags of 4 and sold each bag for $1.65. If Jenny sold all the cookies she made, how much money did she earn from her school at the bake sale after subtracting the cost of the flour? So our goal is how much profit was earned, and our key numbers are there's 18 pounds of flour, which was used to make 9 batches of cookies. One batch has 12 cookies. One bag equals 4 cookies. One bag is sold at $1.65, and 3 pounds of flour costs $5.25. So, let's first find out how many cookies were made. So we know there were 9 batches made, and one batch equals 12 cookies. So if we want to find how many cookies were made all together, all we are going to need to do is 12 times 9. Because if we make our ratio table, so batch, cookies, one batch equals 12 cookies, 9 batches were made. What you do to one side, you do to the other. And 12 times 9, well, that's going to be 108. So we know there was 108 cookies that were made. So how many bags of cookies is that going to be? We know if we were to make a ratio table, we know that one bag equals 4 cookies. And how many cookies did we make? Well, if we just look at the math we just did, we will see that there are 108 cookies. So 4 times what equals 108? Well, I know 4 times 25 equals 100, and 4 times 2 equals 8. So 4 times 27 is going to get us to 108. So I'll write that over here. 4 times 25 equals 100, and 4 times 2 equals 8, making it 27. And what you do to one side, you do to the other. So now we know we have 27 bags of cookies. So now, how much did we make if we sold all 27? So we know one bag costs $1.65, and we sold 27 bags. So let's go ahead and multiply that out. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 3 is 45. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 4 is 11. We're now working with the tens place. So 2 times 5 is 0, carry the 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 2 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Let's go ahead and add those up. So we have 5, 4, 4. There's 2 numbers to the right of the decimal, 0 numbers to the right of the decimal. 2 plus 0 is 2. So let's take our 2 jumps. 1, 2. So the amount of money we earned was $44.55. But how much did all that flour cost us? We know we bought 18 pounds of flour. And 3 pounds equals $5.25. So, how many pounds did we buy then? How many bags did we buy if they sold them at bags of 3 pounds? 18 divided by 3. We know we bought 6 bags of 3-pound flour. So now we just need to do 5.25 times 6. Ms. Morales is running out of space over here. 6 times 5 is 30. Put the 3. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. 6 times 5 is 30 plus 1, 31.50. Now, if we want to figure out how much money we ultimately earn, we take the amount of money we earn from selling the bags and subtract it from the cost of all that flour, and we're going to get $13.05.